What do children actually gain from a Montessori education? What do they learn that might be different from what they experience in a more traditional school? When people first hear about Montessori, they often think about the materials, the beautiful math materials, the practical life activities, the sensorial work. But Montessori is actually about something much deeper. Yes, children learn reading, writing, and mathematics, but along the way, they're also developing skills that will support them for the rest of their lives. Today, I want to share a few of those things with you. One of the most important things Montessori children learn is independence. In a Montessori classroom, children are encouraged to do many things for themselves. They learn to choose their own work, care for the classroom environment, and solve small problems on their own. You'll often see very young children preparing their own snack, clearing a table, rolling up a mat, or putting materials back carefully on the shelf. Now, these may seem like small things, but they build something very powerful. The child's belief that I can do this myself, and that confidence stays with them. Another very important skill that Montessori children develop is deep concentration. In Montessori classrooms, children are given long, uninterrupted periods of work time. This allows them to become fully absorbed in an activity. You may see a child repeating the same activity again and again. To an adult, it might seem repetitive, but for the child, this repetition is building focus, coordination, and mastery. Over time, this ability to concentrate becomes one of the child's greatest strengths. Montessori children also develop a strong sense of responsibility. The classroom environment belongs to everyone. Children learn to take care of the materials, the plants, the classroom, and even one another. Older children often help younger children. They learn that they're part of a community. This sense of responsibility develops naturally because the environment invites them to care for it. Another important skill that Montessori children develop is problem solving. Instead of always giving children the answers, Montessori guides. They often step back and they allow the child to think. If a material doesn't work the way a child expected, they have the opportunity to try again and figure it out. Many Montessori materials even have what we call a control of error, which allows the child to see for themselves when something isn't quite right. Through this process, children begin to develop confidence in their own thinking. One of the most beautiful things you often see in Montessori classrooms is the level of respect between children. Children learn to wait for their turn, to observe others working, and to speak to one another kindly. Grace and courtesy lessons help the children to learn how to communicate, how to solve small conflicts, and how to live peacefully in a community. These are life skills that extend far beyond the classroom. And perhaps most importantly, Montessori children often develop a genuine love of learning. Because they have the freedom to explore, choose their work, and follow their curiosity, learning becomes something joyful rather than something imposed. The child learns not just what to learn, but how to learn. And that may be one of the greatest gifts that Montessori offers. When we look closely at Montessori education, we begin to see that it's not only about academic learning. Yes, children do learn mathematics, language, and many other subjects. But just as importantly, they develop soft skills that will support them throughout their lives. They learn independence. They learn how to concentrate. They learn responsibility, problem solving, and how to work peacefully with others. These are the kinds of skills that help children grow into confident, capable adults, and they're often the very qualities that lead to success later in life. So, When we think about Montessori, we're not only thinking about what children are learning today, we're also thinking about the kind of people that they're becoming tomorrow. If you enjoy listening to what we share and learning about Montessori philosophy and practice, you might also enjoy our book, The Montessori Handbook, which our CEO, Sony Vasandani, and I co-wrote. In the book, we share many practical insights, ideas, and explanations that can help parents and educators better understand the Montessori approach. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share so that more people can discover the beauty of Montessori education. And till we meet again, have a beautiful day.